Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again with another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. It's good old LG. Life is good. It is Wednesday. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. This is the LG Smart Inverter Microwave Oven. Really cool. Just set it up. It's a 2.0 cubic feet, 1200 watts. Here we go. We got smart inverter, LED lamp, touch control, stable turntable, antibacterial, EasyClean. So this is a box. And of course I'll have links down below where you can get a really good deal on them. Going fast because I believe they're on sale right now. So I'm going to show you this thing in action. And I'm going to do the smart inverter. It says it's pretty simple to show. Right here, hold the mouthpiece of phone up to the icon, and I'll show you where I have it set up. Just gotta make sure this phone is ready. Okay, that's updated. Mouthpiece. Alright, so we got it set up over here. Here's what she looks like. The IO Smart. There it is. There's where you put your phone up to it. It'll talk, do something. I'm not sure. I haven't tried it yet. I'd rather catch it on video doing it. This is a really nice microwave. Here's the inside. Look at that. Got the nice gray finish. There's a turntable. Nice big one. But this thing heats up crazy fast. So we got that. Makes cool noise. We got a sensor heat, sensor cook, popcorn, defrost, power level, timer, the clock. That's easy setup. Alright, see they got the sensor cook for bacon, SC1. So you just hit SC and press 1. And so on with the list. So really cool. Popcorn, it's just a popcorn button. Sensor reheat. Beverage is SR4. Pizza SR5. Oh, I might do that because I got good old Geno's East ready to try out. So we're going to nuke this thing up. Put it right in the center. Watch this thing go. Boom. And I'll do it for... See, it makes noise. See, almost like a video game. Look at that light. Yeah, someone can see it. But yeah, definitely a nice one to pick up. I think it's under 200, I do believe. They got them on sale though. I think it was like one something. But I went to like 4 different stores yesterday. Home Depot, Lowe's, and Best Buy didn't have any really good ones. But Amazon Prime saved the day again. I got it fast shipping. See? Nice little jingle. Life is good. Look at that bad boy. Already smoking. So like I said, 30 seconds. Boom. And now we're going to try that mouthpiece. Okay, software's update. Maybe that got me off. Pause. Alrighty, there is a little trick to this. You gotta call the LG customer info number right there. So we're gonna do that right here. 1-800-243, all zeros. Alright, here we go. Instruction.
life's good. Welcome to LG Electronics. Para continuar en español, por favor marque el número 2. If you are called to order parts or accessories, say parts. For customer service, say customer service.
And there's 8 seconds.
What type of product are you calling about? You can say something like refrigerator, TV, or mobile phone. Sorry, I didn't get that. What type of product are you calling about? You can say something like refrigerator, TV, or mobile phone.
Let's see. Clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Still not getting it. Let me allow you to select an option by using the buttons on your phone. To receive customer service on air conditioners, including dehumidifiers, press 1. For appliances, press 2. For consumer electronics products, press 3. For mobile phones, press 4. For mini notebooks or other computer-related products.
Alrighty, sorry about that. I read it wrong. You gotta hit clear button for 5 seconds once you open that up. I'm gonna call the service number right there. Call that. So clear is right here. 4, 5. There we go.
If you are calling to order parts or accessories, say parts. For customer service, say customer service.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Please listen carefully before selecting an option. If you are shopping for water filters, TV remotes, cell phone accessories, or Skype cameras,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'm sorry, I'm still not getting it.
There.
Let me allow you to select an option by using the buttons on your phone. For cell phone accessories, press 1.
Okay.
For part sales,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
For part return authorization, press 3. To go back to the main menu, press pound. Please enter a valid number now, or your call will end. For cell phone accessories, press 1. For part sales, press 2. For part return authorization,
Let's see this.
press 3. To go back to the main menu, press pound. For customer service, press 1. To receive customer service on air conditioners, including dehumidifiers, press 1. For appliances, press 2. For consumer electronics products, press 3. For a refrigerator, press 1. A washer or dryer, including dishwasher for a washer, press 1. For a dryer,
Oh boy, hold on.
press this phone to that smart diagnosis icon.
All right.
And then press and hold the start button for more than 3 seconds.
Okay, so about 8 seconds.
Yeah, and don't avoid necessary noises.
5, 6, 7, 8. Did that work?
Okay, hold on. Still processing.
All right.
Okay, this analysis failed. So let's try it again. But before we try, hold the phone very close to the power button or hinge of the speaker, and do not speak during the transmission. Okay.
All right. So just hold it close, like the speaker or the phone part.
Just the phone.
Okay.
Put very close to the smart diagnosis logo.
Okay. I'm gonna do it again. All right. I'm gonna do it right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.
Okay, still failed. So let's do it again and didn't stick during the transmission, okay?
Okay. One more time for the good road.
Yes, yes. So the analysis is failed, but no worries. Maybe there's really no issue in your.
Alright, YouTuber, sorry for the long video. The reason why it, I guess, failed because there was nothing wrong with it. That's what she just told me. So everything is cool. Great microwave. Like I said, it heats up really fast. And check them out. LG on Amazon Prime. Link is down below. Get them on sale. And be safe. Have a good one. See ya.